delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Christmas room tour, and I'm really excited about this room because I love Christmas. This gives you guys some ideas on what to put in your room, and let's get on with the video. Okay, so when you first walk into my room, you see my bed, and I love how this turned out because I love fluffy blankets. So I have this red fluffy blanket, and then over here I have a gray blanket, and it's also fluffy with leaf designs on it, and it's just so pretty. To match with this red, I added a little red pillow just for the accent of it, and it has reindeers on it, and it just has little red on the sides and here, so it kind of pulls the whole look together. So then when you look up from my bed, you see this little wooden sign. It says joy on it. So if you turn away from my bed, here is my nightstand, and I just added a red tabletop over this, and then over here I have this little plate that says Christmas wishes, and it's gold and red, and this is just where I put my jewelry on. Over here I just added this little Santa Claus hat, and I just think it's really cute. And then over here, don't mind the weird tape thing over here, but I have this Merry Christmas sign, and it looks so well just like in the middle of the painting, and just looks really, really cute. So then moving on to my desk. On my desk, I added this really cute tablecloth. It just has golden snowflakes on it, and it's red, which is also the theme of the room. So then behind this sign, I have a mirror for some reason, and then I have this sign which says, "May your days be merry and bright." So over here, these are some other decorations that I still had from my summer room tour, but I added this little cute Christmas tree with the star on it, and I have these cute little golden and silver presents as decorations. And then in the middle of the desk, to just pull the look all together and just as a simple decoration, I have this little cute plant thing that says Merry Christmas on it. And this candle is gold and red, perfect for the theme of my room, and it says Merry and Bright, just like that too. And it smells so good. It smells like cinnamon and amaretto, and it's just so nice, and I just love filling my whole room with this Christmas smell. Then last but not least, I just have this little decoration on my piano, and it's also red, and it has pine cones on it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this video gave you some ideas, and I love this whole room. This video, please subscribe, and yeah, see you in my next video. Bye!